Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we have something very special to share with you. It is about a tool called Submagic, which is great for making subtitles for your videos. Before we start, I want to tell you that if you want to try Submagic for yourself, there's a link where you can sign up. You'll find it in the video description and in a comment I've pinned right below this video. So Submagic is a tool that is very helpful for people who make videos and need subtitles. Maybe you are a YouTuber, a filmmaker, or just someone who loves making videos. Submagic is made to be easy, so even if you are not professional, you can use it. It supports many different subtitles file types, so it means that you can use Submagic with tools or with a lot of different video editing programs. There are a lot of good things about Submagic. So for example, it has a simple design so you don't get lost trying to find what you need. It is great for syncing your subtitles with the audio in your video. It means that your subtitles will appear at the right time when someone is speaking. So Submagic also checks your spelling, which is very helpful to make sure your subtitles are perfect. However, Submagic has some limitations. If you are a professional video editor, you might find that Submagic doesn't have all the advanced features that you need. Some types of videos files might not work well with it. Also, if you are new to making subtitles, you might need a little time to learn how to use Submagic, but don't worry because it is not that hard. Now let me explain how you can create subtitles using Submagic. First of all, you open Submagic and load your video into it. So after that, what we're gonna do is to click directly on upload the video, and we will wait for it to be uploaded. Here you will be able to add the title for your video, and here you're gonna add the language of the video. So they have many language. They have English, French, Arabic, Bashkir, Basque, etc. There are a lot of language that you can choose for your subtitle of your video. Now, after choosing the language and deciding the title for your video, and you wait for it to get to 100%, you're just gonna click again on upload, and it will take you directly to the next step where you'll be able to change the style of your subtitles. So we're gonna wait a little bit more, and then we will get back to you. Now here, as you can see, the video is ready to be edited. For the captions, we can make it our own captions by customizing it. Now here we have many themes. For example, we have Devin theme, so we can use this theme for your captions. We have the Ella, we have Hormozy 3, William, etc. There are a lot of captions, and from here you can go to your captions, so you'll be able to check the text of your captions. So here we have the text. We can edit the timing of the caption, we can edit the text and add it manually, or we can keep it AI generated by the application, and actually it is great and thoroughly corrected, so you can just correct these small mistakes if they were existing right here. Now after choosing the style and correcting your text, here you have the b-roll where you'll be able to change the timing, and here you have the publish, so you can publish it public for other people to see. You click on save, so save your projects, and then you can click on export, so you'll be able to add it to your device. I have tried Submagic myself, and I think it's a great tool, especially if you are new or just starting out. So it is very easy, so you don't need any complex features. It makes creating subtitles simple and fast. For more professional needs, you might want to use it along with other tools. Don't forget, if you want to try out Submagic, click the sign up link in the video description and in the pinned comment below. It's a good way to make your video better and more accessible to everyone.